Hi guys, welcome and or welcome back to my channel. My name is Cassandra. If you are new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Today's video will be a fridge and freezer pantry clean out, and I also went grocery shopping for bulk buy stuff, and I know this video will be jam-packed with tons of cleaning motivation. You can either get up and clean with me now or watch now for the motivation you need to clean later. Either way, let's just jump right into today's video. Hi guys, so like I previously stated, I did go grocery shopping for some bulk items where I placed an order online for this store called BJ's. If you're not in the New York area, it's like a Costco for New York. So I did buy the bulk things that I'm going to need for the next month or so. And so I'm going to start by emptying out the freezer, clean out anything that's expired, anything that's old, or something that I probably bought and the kids didn't like it. You know, I've been trying out some new stuff with them, and then like I put all my meats up top so I'm able to see what I have in there. So I'm just going in, fixing whatever, taking out what I need to take out, and restocking everything in a more organized manner.
I feel better on the weekend. Give my life a better meaning. Let me stay where I'm in phase. I feel better on the weekend. I feel better on the weekend. Give my life a better meaning. Let me stay where I'm in phase. I feel better on the weekend.
I'm gonna go in with some Lysol to just spray that area where I had like a little spill. I think it's strawberries from the strawberry bag, or it's from the meat, but typically my meats are frozen, so I'm not really sure which one it was from. So I just want to spray it, and then I'm going to rub it just to kind of let the product sit on it while I empty out the other side. So by the time I'm done, it's easy to just wipe it up and get it up of the fridge that way. As for the cleaning, all I'm using is warm water with a little dish soap, and that's pretty much it. With the bar cleaners friends that you saw I put in the bowl earlier, that's all I'm using to wipe it out. I don't really like to use chemical stuff where the food's going. I only use the Lysol to disinfect the fridge from right there, so I'm not gonna really do too much harsh chemical in my fridge. And just a quick disclaimer, as you get more into the video, I do talking for the haul portion of the video, but the AC was on, and with the heat wave we have in New York, I absolutely need the AC. Right now I am editing this literally in my bathroom just to get away from the sound of the AC in the house. So I'm going to do minimal talking because I'm not really sure how to get all that sound out. So I am going to do minimal talking. It's just going to be a lot of cleaning music to get you guys the motivation you need. Everything I'm doing is pretty basic, restocking and going over and putting back what the kids need, making sure everything is easy access and making sure it's easy for me, because even though they're on summer break, I'm not on summer break. I'm still working my 9 to 5, still growing my own business and doing YouTube. So they might, and keeping them educated and making sure that their summer packets are completed is a whole job. So if you're a mom, or even if you're an entrepreneur working a 9 to 5, you have kids, even though they're on break, you're not on break. So working from home is a lot harder than going in the office, because when you're in the office it's a lot easier, you are more focused. So anyways, let's just jump back into the video. So here I'm just going to be putting everything back. So how I'm separating things is the meats are on the top portion, so I'm able to see, because I don't want them to slide to the back and I don't know. And then I have like my smoothie stuff. Then I'm going to also put the kids quick grab and go snacks that I have on the side there, like those. And then I'm gonna keep all like our food stuff, those like mixed up products on the other side. So it's just like kind of like reorganizing the fridge just to suit best, and also trying to make sure I put what the kids go in the fridge for themselves, so they're able to help themselves. I put that towards the front and I make sure it's visible so they're not digging around. They don't have to call, Mom, 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 where's this? Mom, where's that? Mom, I can't find this. I don't want to have to hear that, so I make sure to organize everything in a manner where they're able to help themselves, and it's less distraction for me while I'm working from home with them. I'm going to show you guys everything I bulk buy at BJ's. That's like a Sam's Club for the New York area, if you don't know what BJ's is. So let me get down here. I got fruit snacks for the kids for the summertime. OxyClean. Let me turn you guys around. I got Honest Juice. I could have sworn I bought 2. I'm gonna check my receipt. Downy waffles. This water was supposed to be the mini cases of water for the kids, but instead they gave me a regular water. And then I did buy a regular water, so that's the water bulk buy, or juice and stuff. Let me take this, because I want to put away all the freezer stuff now. So that's why I want to show you guys all this stuff. And show you guys everything else I got. So I got these chicken nuggets. I can just pop in the air fryer. My kids are currently in love with pizza, so it comes with 3 in here. Pancake syrup, because we were running out, so I picked some up with that. This next thing is not a bulk buy. Milk, just 1 milk, but because I was there, I was ordering from there, so I just got it. This is another quick summer lunch for the kids. Patty, spicy only. They drink hot chocolate at night and sometimes in the morning for tea. A big bag of French fries because I go through those like crazy. I saw this on I saw these in Aaliyah Face vlog that she just uploaded, and she said they were so good and it doesn't have a lot of calories, so I decided to get them. It's chicken and vegetable wontons. I'm excited to try that. Hot dogs, summertime, quick, simple lunch or dinner for the boys. I bulk buy these turkey bacon because, especially with them being home more, they will love these. And this is a 4-pack. I also got cereal. No, because I feel like this idiot did not bring me out everything. Because it was raining, I was kind of like, yeah, I did get cereal. I didn't get my cereal. They gave me the wrong water. Excuse the noise, guys. I am going to try to edit as much of that noise out as I can. The AC is going because right now in New York we have like this heat wave going, and it's detrimental not to have the AC on right now, and Carter is sleeping, so this is the best time for me to do this with no interruptions. I just came from work. I placed the order while I was at work, just came from work, picked up the order, and then came home. And now I'm just trying to get everything situated. The fridge was a mess. I know I had to clean that out before I put anything in it. And so let me finish putting this stuff in. Also, while I'm putting in, I'm going to be restocking something like I bulk buy the popsicle. So I have popsicle already here. I just need to put some more in, so I'm gonna go ahead and just refill this at the same time. Okay guys, I did not realize it stopped recording when I walked off the clip, so I did refill these. That's as much. I just fill it all the way up. Hopefully this will last for the holiday break because it's so hot. I've been going through these like crazy. These are my shish kebab sticks that were already soaked, so they're just ready to go. I just keep them in the freezer. I don't know why. I don't remember where I saw them, but I keep them in there. I don't have any issues. The patties, I just place them up here, so I can just grab one and go. So they come in individual packets. Just grab one and go. The French fries is in. So I think that's all I've done, so let's just keep on going. portion of the fridge is more so taking out anything that's old, expired, and reorganizing the fridge. Mostly the kids are in and out of the bottom part because, like I said, we've been on this heat wave, so the kids are like drinking water and juice like crazy. I've all like in the icy, so I try to make sure everything is stocked weekly to hold us over. But I'm noticing, okay, during the week I will have to go back in currently right now and restock like water, not so much juice because they'll mostly drink water. That's I don't understand how my kids, well, not one, I don't understand how Caden, my oldest, drinks so much water because I hate water. While I was pregnant with him, I did drink a lot of water. I forced myself to drink the water, and I do force them to drink water, but I am not a fan of drinking water, and I get that from my mom. So it's just like, I don't know, but I am blessed to say that they drink water more than they drink juice. I'm so happy to say that. So those two containers that I just took out the fridge, that's what I restock and stock their stuff up with. So just to keep everything in order, and then they have those little fruit cups that you see I put on the second shelf that is for them. So what I'm going to do is just get rid of anything that isn't going back in, any old food, anything, just dump all that stuff out. And I'm going to wash these containers out just to sanitize them, get them clean before I restock them and put them back in the fridge. And I'm also checking expiration date because this thing was expired, I think, a day or so ago. So I'm just checking the expiration date to make sure everything's still good and nothing's going back expire or close to expiration date. So I'm just trying to make sure everything's being used in a timely manner. And also I'm just going to go in and I'm going to pack out the eggs in a different container. And I wash my eggs because, I don't know, people going to the grocery store, they be touching stuff. I wash my eggs. I want them to be clean when they're going in the fridge because a lot of time when we're doing it, we just crack them, put them in, they're touching stuff. I just rather them being washed. Whatever works for you, works for you.
Got a dopamine rush, got a major league crush when you're next to me. Got my heart upon my sleeve, can I hide the way I feel when you're next to me, girl? Got the kick in every move and I fought just like a fool for you, for you. Wish I knew just what it was, but why should I make a fuss? Just stay next to me, girl, next to me, girl. Something special, don't know why, something special that I like about you, about you. There's a mystery entwined, something bigger to define about you, about you. Am I the only one to see? Got me down on my knees, taken by your gravity. And I just know you got that something, something special about you. Got me under lock and key, but I don't wanna be free when I'm next to you. You're like honey to a bee, I go crazy for the sweet when I'm next to you, girl. Got the kick in every move and I fought just like a fool for you, for you. It might seem that I'm dumb, but it's you that's got me stunned. Stay next to me, girl, next to me, girl. Something special, don't know why, something special that I like about you, about you. There's a mystery entwined, something bigger to define about you, about you. Am I the only one to see? Got me down on my knees, taken by your gravity. And I just know you got that something, something special about you. You got it down, shake my ground, and I can't get enough, got me spellbound. And every day, in every way, I just know there's something about you. And I just just know you got that something, something special about you. You got it down, shake my ground, and I can't get enough, got me spellbound. And every day, in every way, I just know there's something about you. Something special, don't know why. Something special that I like about you, about you. There's a mystery entwined, something bigger to define about you, about you. Am I the only one to see? Got me down on my knees, taken by your gravity. And I just know you got that something, something special about you.
When it comes to restocking things and putting the stuff back in the order I like to have things is accessibility. Like I said, if you're a mom, you understand the struggle of hearing mom a million times a day. So I try my best to eliminate how much my kids need me, try to make them as independent as possible. So the bottom shelf above the drawers, those are typically always their stuff: water, juice, snack, anything that they need and that needs to be in the fridge will be for them. That's down there, with the exception of that mango. That was for Carter, but I would have to cut it anyway, so he wouldn't be able to help himself. So as you can see, everything down on that row will be, is the juice, then it's going to be water, and then that container with the orange stuff, those are just fruit cups. They did not have those at BJ's for me to order some more, so I have to get them somewhere else. So that's why I did not stock up on those again, because they do like those kind of little quick and grab go snacks, especially when Carter comes home in the evening. They're easy, quick snacks for him to eat before it's dinner time. So going towards the door of the fridge, all I'm going to do is just take this thing out and just look over everything that's in there, toss what I need to toss, and just wipe down the door. And everything in here I know wasn't expired. Those stuff lasts a good couple years, especially Pedialyte. They do last a while if it's not open. So I'm just going to go in and wipe down the door and then put everything right back in this original spot. And then when it comes to the bottom, because of the heat wave that's coming over the weekend, and it's a long weekend for us, I'm going to put some extra water in the door, because I want to make sure I have enough water cooled for us, because we've been going through water like crazy over here, like crazy. So I want to just make sure I have enough in there cooled, and I find myself replacing as I go. So just want to keep it stocked, make sure that they have what they need and they don't have to keep saying mom. That's the whole goal, is to minimize and make it accessible to them. So because I don't have a lot of space in this kitchen or a lot of counter space, so it's like a lot of times I have to midway, wash the dishes just to get things off the counter. So that's why I'm just going in, emptying out the dish drainer now, because I need to go in and go ahead and wash some of the plates that's in the sink so I can have some more space to do what I need to do and get everything cleaned up. So that's the downside. You're kind of like double. I wish I would be able to just wait till the end and just wash everything, but I don't have that luxury, so I make the best of what I do have and just work with what I have. So I'm just going to dump out all this old food that's been there and wash the dishes, and then I'm also going to clean the stove and get everything right back in order and organized. serves me correctly, I think I got these little popsicle makers from the Dollar Tree for $1. I'm pretty sure that's where I got it from. So I decided to go ahead and make some juice pops, and then I remembered I had some soda, some Jamaican soda called Chubby. So I decided to use the Chubby and put it into, if you went to school in Jamaica, oh my god, I used to love these little Chubby thingies. So it's just like a soda, and I'm just gonna use that to make the ice pops or the popsicles for the kids. I'm gonna freeze it tonight so they can have it on whenever during this weekend. Just another fun little way. And whenever like I give them soda, the honest juice, I did not need to dilute it. I just did that because I didn't want to open another one to fill it up. So I'm just mixing it around so it blends in and the flavor is in it. So, but the soda I dilute at all times whenever I give them soda, because my kids already got enough energy. They don't need no more energy. They don't need nothing else to make them hyper. So I just use that for that purpose, just to dilute it a little. So I'm just going to put this in the freezer, and I'm going to move on to getting the pantry stuff done. So what I need to do is I repacked the cereal already. So I'm just going to go ahead and dump out the hot chocolate, because they do ask for hot chocolate a lot. Every morning, every night, it's a continuous thing. Sometimes in a day they'll drink it hot, or sometimes they'll drink it cold. So I just put it in here so it makes it a lot easier, and I'm able to tell when I'm gonna run out and if I'm not. So for me, this works wonders. If I think, no, these I ordered off of, what's that store? IKEA. When I was moving into this apartment, I ordered all of this stuff from IKEA because we were mid-COVID and everything was locked down, so I was not able, so I just ordered everything off IKEA that I think I would need. They're not very big, but they get the job done.
All this time, I've been feeling hopeless till you came around, came around. All this time, you're the only reason I'm not. All this time, I've been feeling hopeless till you came around, came around. All this time, you're the only reason I'm not chasing highs, chasing highs. What is love? Lately I've been wondering just what is love? What is love? I don't know. No one ever showed me. I've been on my own for too long. But if you hold me now, let me into your heart. Maybe I can start to love again and tend to my scars. Can you show me how? Can you
The rag that I was using to clean, I knew it was on its last leg, so I knew I was gonna toss it away this night. So because my floor was feeling greasy, so I just sprayed some degreaser on the rag and I went ahead and just wiped the floor manually just to make sure I got everything up. I did not vacuum beforehand because I didn't want to have to get the vacuum out and do all of that. So I just went ahead and mopped with my hand.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger.
This is the chaos to the side after I was done cleaning the kitchen. This is typically how this area looks, so I want to give you guys a real look at how it is when cleaning one area. I go ahead and I mess up a whole nother, so it's just like a continuous chain event. So it was late evening while, like I said, I went to work and everything, so at this point I need to hurry up and get Carter together for bed. So I'm just going to go ahead, break down the boxes, and put away all the rest of the overstock stuff from the bulk that I'm not going to go ahead and use currently, and just get this little area organized and wipe it down, because this day it was raining, so I also had a lot of water and yuck at the front door, so I needed to wipe that down anyways. So I'm just going to go ahead. I'm not going to talk through this part. I'm just going to play the video and let you guys enjoy it. I'm just breaking down the stuff. It's just like a bonus clip, you can say.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger. Just watch me breaking. You're sweet. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. Just take a hint, you got a free pass. Oh, try to hide it, but you had me from the get-go. Let me be frank, I'm not that complicated. If you need me, what's the use of playing games? No, there's no denying what we want. Just watch me